Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to publish an Adobe XD website. First, ensure your design is well organized with proper layers and components. This preparation is crucial for a smooth export process. Next, we'll explore various tools and plugins that can convert your XD artboards into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Finally, I'll guide you through the steps of deploying your website to a live server, making it accessible to your audience. Once your design is complete in Adobe XD, the next step is to get it ready for the web. While XD is primarily a design tool, plugins like Anima or Web Export can convert your artboards into functional HTML and CSS. Remember to export all your images, icons, and other assets in optimized formats. After conversion, carefully review the generated code to ensure it accurately reflects your design and is responsive across different screen sizes. With your website's code and assets ready, it's time to choose a hosting provider. Most web hosting services support HTML and CSS sites, so you have many options. You'll need to upload all your exported files to the main directory of your hosting account. Finally, configure your domain name to point to your hosting server, making your Adobe XD design live and accessible to everyone on the internet. After deployment, rigorous testing is essential. Preview your website in different web browsers and on various devices to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Pay close attention to responsiveness, interactive elements, and overall user experience. Regular maintenance, like checking for broken links or outdated content, will keep your site running smoothly. And for making your daily routine smoother, check out the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.